that during this pandemic, one of the most important thing to do is washing your hands. Wash your hands for 20 seconds and avoid touching surfaces without washing your hands after. Also, make sure that you don't touch your face, touch your eyes, touch your mouth after your nose, because that would also transmit COVID-19. So I just want to make sure that everyone stays healthy and safe. So avoid touching your face, wash your hands, 20 seconds. Thank you.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Principal Diaz coming to you live from my living room. It is Monday, May 18th, and today is an A Day. The importance and significance of today being an A Day is this is the last A Day, true A Day of the school year. So I want to make sure that we are all touching base with our teachers and making sure that we have our work completed. Seniors, your last day for new content was last week. Use all of these days as catch-up days and make sure that you have everything you need in order to get on the graduation list, get a final transcript, a final GPA, and get ready for the next phase of your life. And on that note, seniors, I want to introduce to you the Building Institute of Central Kentucky. A lot of you guys have received scholarship money, acceptance letters. You have a plan. You're going to be a colonel at EKU. You're going to be a Wildcat at Kentucky, maybe even a Tiger at Clemson. Who knows? But this Building Institute that I have here over my shoulder is an excellent opportunity for students who may not have a clear path or understanding of what is next. They provide scholarships, apprenticeships, and they give you on-the-job training on real-life skills, marketable skills, plumbing, electrician, carpentry, all these journeyman skills that are high in demand at these times. These folks can help provide. At this time, I want to transition the shift and make sure that we all are on the same page. The last day of the school year is May 27th. We are doing Chromebook pickups for seniors. Seniors, if you are done with your schoolwork, please turn in your Chromebooks. If you are still working to get caught up, that's okay. Continue to work and get caught up. But make sure that you do what you have to do to be ready for the end of the year, the senior festivities, so to speak, the senior activities that we have prepared for you. It is very difficult to run a normal end of the year with COVID-19, C-19, and social distancing and the national global pandemic that we have going on right now. But we've come up with a best case scenario with approval from the health department and the city on things we can do. And I'd like to discuss that with you. Seniors, on Wednesday, May 27th, the last day of the school year, Fayette County has partnered with 104.5 The Cat to present a musical light show tribute downtown. The Centerpoint Hotel will be exhibiting the light show. We will send out more information as we get it from the district as to the times and the parade path that we will be taking. On Thursday, May 28th, from 4:30 to 7:30, we are having a senior send-off. This senior send-off will have your teachers lined up at a section of the Kentucky Horse Park to wave you guys goodbye and really, with the social distancing, show our love and appreciation for you during this reverse parade is what I think we have called it. And we want to do a good job with that. Lastly, Tuesday, June 2nd is the Diploma Distribution. That'll take place on campus. Graduates are encouraged to wear their cap and gowns. There'll be time slots for each academy, and we're going to have alphabetic time slots within each academy. We'll be there the entire day, but each academy will have a 2 to 2.5 hour window when they can come up and pick up their diploma. We'll have more information coming out to the seniors from Miss Banks and Mr. Melton. I also want to send a special shout out and good luck to our students getting ready to take the AP test today. Today we have AP Biology and AP Environmental Science. So good luck to you guys. Work hard. Listen, no matter what, you do your best and don't worry about the rest. Everything else will work out just fine. Again, today is the last A day. Tomorrow is the last B day. There will be no new content introduced for all students after tomorrow. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week and the following week will be all catch-up days, make-up days. We are not having finals. We want to make sure that you get all the help you need. Sign up for Saturday school if you need it. Sign up for ESS if you need it. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.